Subscribe Technical Purkait and click on the bell icon to get all the notification of our latest videos. Hey guys, I'm Aneeke and in this video I'm going to show you how you can boost your Facebook post without wasting any types of money. Without wasting money. So in this video I'm going to show you very basically that's how you can post everything on Facebook, and if you want to boost the page, if you want to boost the post, you can do it without investing any money. So how you can do it, let's go. So first of all, what you have to do, just you have to open your desktop, or you have to open your Facebook Messenger, not Facebook Messenger. If you want to boost your page without wasting money, then you have to go to Play Store. If you don't wish to go to Play Store, you can do it as well, desktop version also. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to download Facebook Lite. If you don't wish to download Facebook Lite, you can download Facebook also. So if you download Facebook Lite, here you will get the application Facebook Lite, and according to me it's the best application for sharing your post. And if you wish to download this application, please download it, and it's just 1.5 MB and it has 500 million downloads, 4.3 ratings in Play Store. So guys, if you wish to download this application, please download it from the Play Store. And now what you have to do, just go to your Facebook Lite application and sign in with your proper sign in ID and user ID and password. So what after that, you have to just and you have to go to your page. I have a page that is Love Street, and here it is. So you have to click your Love Street, your page, and here it is my page, Love Street. So first of all, what you have to do, just you have to go to the post. Suppose I wish to share this post. Okay, I wish to share this post. It's an image, and I wish to share this post as much as possible. So how I can do that? Please go, please watch it. First of all, what you have to do, just you have to share this photo in a group. So how you can do it? So here you will find the share option. So you have to click it here, and here you will find the share in a group. So click it here, and first of all, you have to remember that you have first of all, in your Facebook account, you have to be connected with lots of groups. You have to be connected with lots of groups. So as much as you are connected with lots of groups, then only you will be able to share your post with the groups. So it's a very important things to you guys. If you wish to share your post in a group, so please mention that, please check that you have the groups and lots of members are there. So first of all, here in my page Hashir Password job, it's in this group I have lots of members, so I can share it here. So here you have to just click post. Okay, now it's the share by one, and now again you have to just put in several pages, several groups. So here it's I'm sharing, check it, I'm sharing in several groups so that my post go through the more people. Okay, check it, I'm sharing in lots of groups so that my post goes to the lots of people. So guys, you have to remember that in your group, in which group you are sharing your post, the group should be make of lots of members. If there have lots of members, then only your post maybe go through the lots of members, maybe your post reach to the lots of people. So guys, it's the most important thing. Please be sure how much groups you have and how much members are there, in which way you can check that in this group you have how much members. Check it here, you will find groups. So in that groups section you will find your how much groups you have. So check it in your group section, you will find this. Okay, check it here, Hashir Password 1 million members, 2 lakh members. In this way you can find out the maximum members of your groups. So how much members content carries your group's name, check it, you will find out here how much members are there. Okay, so it's a very important thing how you can check how much members are there, how much people are connected with that particular group. So in this way, if you check it here, I have most number of members. So if you connected Hashir Password jo if you share this post with this particular group, then only your post can be go through the lots number of people, and your post may be reached to the lots of people. So here you have to find out, here you have to share this post. So which post you used to download, you used to share your post, then you can choose the particular post and share. Click on share button and share in a group. Then make sure that you have maximum numbers of members in that particular group and share those photos, those images, those posts in that particular group. And here you have to be sure that maximum number of members are in the particular group, so that your post, your photos, your status can reach to the more number of people. So it's all everything guys about the Facebook boosting without wasting any money, without investing any money. So hope you like this video, and if this video helps you, so have a big thumbs up. And if you wish to get more these types of video, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. If you wish to like this video, and I will make another video according to this. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. And if you want to be connected with me, please subscribe my channel, and if you wish to follow my social networking sites, please the link in description below. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. Meet you another video.